Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to search for a file on Gmail chat using your PC, especially with the latest updates. If you've ever struggled to find important files in your chats, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the necessary features for this process. Once you're in Gmail, locate the 9 dots next to your profile photo in the upper right corner. This is the Google Apps menu. Click on those dots to open a drop-down menu showing various services. From this menu, choose Chats. This will direct you to the chat interface where you can see your conversations and any files shared in them. Now, look to the left side menu and click on Direct Messages. This option will take you to your personal chats, where you can find specific conversations that might contain the file you're searching for. Next, enter the chat where you think the file might be located. Once you're in the chat, look for the search icon at the top of the conversation window. It usually looks like a magnifying glass. Click on that search icon, and a search bar will appear. Now, type in the keywords related to the file you're looking for. Whether it's the file name or some context about the content, enter it in the search bar and hit enter. In just a moment, the chat will display any messages containing the keyword you entered, helping you locate the file quickly. This feature makes finding important documents so much easier. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to search for a file on Gmail chat. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering your digital tools. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.